My name's Frank Mrvan, and I'm a candidate for the 1st Congressional District in Northwest Indiana. Today we are at the Gary Airport, and why it's important that we're here is the NIISSA organization, the Northwest Indiana Security Sharing Alliance, is a group of federal, state, and local agencies, EMAs, local governments, FEMA, Homeland Security, and all different agencies coming together to best provide the best results during a disaster or a pandemic, and making sure we are prepared. This organization came together after the flood of 2008 to make sure we have an effective, efficient response to any type of disaster. I, as a North Township Trustee, have sat on the board and have been able to focus on making sure that we are prepared every day, not only with the public sector, but also bringing in the private sector and utilizing their resources to be able to best mitigate any type of disaster that we have going on. The focal point here at the Gary Airport, currently it is housing an incident command center for the District 1 hospital organization. And what we are focusing on making sure that we have fulfilled the needs of our healthcare providers and the hospitals based on the valuable resources that the private community has, the private sector, to be able to bring them in, such as masks and PPE. Labor have donated, industries have donated, people have came in, and we have been able to distribute those goods that have been donated us to the hospital workers, the ER workers, and our healthcare providers. It's this type of collaborative effort that I am going to focus on to make sure, as your congressman, that we continue to be prepared, that we continue to focus on making sure that our community has the resources available to overcome this disaster. I've been working on this for a very long time, and the focal point is making sure we are prepared, effectively responding, and bringing all resources together on a federal level, state level, local level, and also with the private sector. And ultimately, what I want you to know is your congressman in Washington, D.C., on these uncertain times going forward, that we make sure we put all efforts and all dollars into being prepared and being to effectively respond to and mitigate this pandemic. We are all in this together, and we must understand that we are our brothers and sisters' keeper, and making sure that all entities in government and all governments responsible for making sure that we are prepared and getting accurate information and also equipment to our healthcare providers is a priority. My name's Frank Mrvan, and as your congressman, I will focus on making sure we do that. Please go to our Facebook page, Mrvan for Congress, for any information dealing with the pandemic and giving you up-to-date information. Our mission is to make sure that we get you the information of what is going on in the community to best protect you. Again, I thank you very much. Be safe and be healthy.